Welcome to Ink It Up with Jessica TV. I'm Jessica Taylor, and in this episode I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to cut your paper straight every time. Here's the key. Push it all the way up against one side of your paper cutter. There's usually something on any paper cutter, kind of a ledge where you can push it up. So once you've measured out where you want it, push it up against that edge and then pull your blade towards that edge. And you're going to get a perfectly straight cut every time. If you push your blade this way, your paper can easily move. So if you want to cut it this way, and sometimes you might want to because your blade is going to last longer if you alternate the sides that you cut with. So if you alternate between the ends, then you can push up towards your ledge there and you'll get another perfectly straight cut.